Here's a way to turn £1,000 into £589,000 and use that to generate an income for life. And no, there's no crypto, no day trading involved here. It's just a simple, reliable system. I'm going to warn you, it's pretty boring, but it will get you there. But before I figured all this out, I was saving all wrong. I wasn't reckless, I always saved, but I saved wrong. I didn't have a strategy, no long-term plan. I was just building savings aimlessly. This is what I was doing, because back then I didn't know any better. So here's what changed. Step 1, I opened a high-interest savings account. Even today, you can get 4 to 5% if you're just paying attention. Money goes in, interest gets paid automatically. And not just any savings account. The one that your bank recommends, the one who you have a current account with, that's not necessarily the best one. Do some simple research online. A couple of percentage points really matters, but that's not where real growth happens. The next step for me would be to open a stock and shares ISA. I use Vanguard. Simple, low cost, no distractions. And if I was starting out today, I would put in there just one index fund, the US Equities Index Fund. For me, that's a low cost way of owning a slice of hundreds of top performing companies, all in one go. Currently, there's no two ways about it. The largest, most valuable companies in the world at the moment are in the US. And I don't care what your politics are, because this is a personal finance video. If you want to do more than optimize that, then you're watching the wrong video. If you put £1,000 into that fund for 20 years, and the market returns to its historical average of 8% a year, not 8% every year, it could be lower or higher than that, but 8% on average across those 20 years, then that pot grows into £589,000. And here's the part most people miss. That's not just numbers on a screen, that's an income engine. Let's break that a little bit down. Using the 4% rule, you can safely withdraw £23,500 from that pot without running it dry. That's about £1,950 every single month. You don't need to sell the whole thing, you just trim the growth and let the rest just keep compounding in the background. But I can already hear what some of you are thinking. In fact, there's two things people are thinking about right now. The first challenge I'm hearing is, £23,500, that's not life-changing. Really? Where are you getting anywhere near that amount right now? Passively. Not from work, not from freelancing gigs, just money showing up every year on repeat. That's the point. And some of you are thinking, I don't have £1,000 to save. Costs are going up, rent's an issue, travel's a joke. I can barely breathe. And I get it, but that's where you're taking the wrong thing from this video. You see, £1,000 a month is just an example. The principle is what matters. You could start with £20, £50, £100, £500, whatever it is, and work your way up. Or you could choose to do nothing. In 20 years, you'll either look back and see how far you've come, or look around and see you're exactly where you are now. Which one do you want? Stop looking for the gaps. Stop hunting for the flaws in the argument. This isn't about matching my number. This is about starting your number. You might be earning a lot more than me and thinking, well, I've got £4,000 a month spare. This video isn't for me. Or you might only have £100 a month extra and think, well, I can't save £1,000 a month. This video isn't for me either. Either way, you're wrong. This video is for you because the mindset is the same. Start where you are and move forward. £589,000 might not seem much to you, or it might seem like a hell of a lot to you. But if you've got nothing right now, no plan, then think to yourself, what exactly are you rejecting? You can choose to have that money 20 years from now, or you can choose to not have it. I mean, think about it. Would you rather have £589,000 or nothing? It's a simple choice. Your move. Open your savings account, open your stock and shares ISA, buy a great index fund, build a habit and stick to the plan. And if £1,000 feels out of reach for you, £1,000 a month that is, then start with what's real for you. Start with what feels real for you. If you like these kind of videos about mindset and money, then make sure you're subscribed so you get to hear about the next videos as they come out. I publish about once a week, but if you want to know what I would do today on a £30,000 a year salary, then this is the video you want to watch next. I'll show you exactly how I'd make it work.